If you want to create a smooth animated background in Figma, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. This is a simple but powerful effect you can use for landing pages, hero sections, social media mockups, or just to make your designs feel more alive. And if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Figma and start building it. First, open Figma Design and press F on your keyboard. This selects the frame tool. Then choose the frame size you want from the right panel. You can use a preset like desktop or create a custom size depending on your project. Once your frame is ready, add your content on top of it. You can type some text, place a logo, or keep it simple if you only want the background animation to stand out. For this tutorial, the main focus is the animated background, so your text is just there to show how the effect looks in a real design. Now select the entire frame. On the right side, find the fill section and click the fill drop-down. Change the fill type to linear gradient. This is the key step that gives the background its motion effect. Choose any two colors you like, but try to pick colors that blend nicely together for a smooth animated transition. Next, adjust the gradient direction and the color values. Set the first color to 100 at the top and 0 at the bottom. This creates your first gradient position. You can experiment with different tones here, but the important thing is to create a clear difference between the two ends so the animation has movement. After you finish the first gradient, duplicate the frame. You can copy and paste it, or use duplicate so the new frame sits right next to the original. This second frame is what we'll use to build a transition state. Now select the new frame and change the gradient values. Set it to 0 at the top and 100 at the bottom. You can also tweak the colors if you want a slightly different look, but the goal is to create a second version of the same background with reversed gradient direction. That difference is what makes Smart Animate work beautifully. Once both frames are ready, select them together and click Create Component Set from the right panel. This turns your two frames into variants, which is exactly what you need for the animation in prototype mode. Now switch to the Prototype tab on the right panel. Here, you'll connect the first frame to the second frame. Add an interaction and set the trigger to after delay. This means the animation will automatically begin after a short pause. For the animation type, choose Smart Animate. Then set easing to gentle and make the duration 5 seconds. This will create a smooth, calming background movement instead of a sudden jump. After that, add another interaction from the second frame back to the first frame using the same settings. Again, use after delay, Smart Animate, gentle easing, and a 5-second duration. This loop is what makes the background continuously animate back and forth. Now go to the Assets panel, find your component set, then drag and drop it into your design. This is where the animated background becomes part of your actual layout. You can place it behind text, buttons, or any other content you want to highlight. To test it, click the Flow or Preview button and play the prototype. You should see the background smoothly transition between the two gradient states. If everything is set up correctly, your animated background will loop automatically and give your design a polished, dynamic feel. And that's it. You've just learned how to make an animated background in Figma using frames, gradients, component sets, and Smart Animate. This is a great technique to add more motion and personality to your designs without needing extra plugins or complex animation tools. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.